Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix mobile menu when we expand not show properly. Mobile menu show behind background image or feature image in Avada WordPress. So this is a mobile menu. So now click on it. You don't see menu. Now you see contact. But this menu expand behind this feature image. So we are going to fix it. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using Avada theme. This issue occurred because Z index value of mobile menu and Z index value of background or feature image is not equal. Z index value of feature image is higher than mobile menu. So we are going to add more Z index value for mobile menu. So we are using Avada theme. So now go to edit section. So this is our edit. Now you see we are using Avada builder. So this is our container. Now you see pencil icon, container option. So click on it. Now go to design and then find here Z index value. So you can add some value here. Higher value than feature image. So we added higher value in Z index container from feature image section and then click on save and then click on update. Now update done. Go to Avada page and refresh the page. Now expand menu, so click on it, mobile menu. Now you see mobile menu show above feature image in Avada page in WordPress. So we increase that index value. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.